Are you tired of struggling with weight loss and looking for a natural, ethical solution? Vegan weight loss supplements might be the answer you've been searching for. These supplements are designed to help you achieve your weight loss goals while aligning with a plant-based lifestyle. Imagine losing weight while also supporting your overall health and well-being. Vegan weight loss supplements are packed with plant-based ingredients like Garcinia cambogia and green tea extract. These natural components are known for their fat-burning and appetite-controlling properties. But that's not all. These supplements are also cruelty-free, ensuring no harm to animals. Choosing vegan weight loss supplements means you're making a compassionate choice for the planet. These products are often derived from sustainably farmed sources, reducing environmental impact. By opting for vegan supplements, you're contributing to a healthier planet and a more ethical lifestyle. Vegan weight loss supplements offer a healthier alternative to traditional weight loss products. They are free from synthetic additives and animal-derived substances that can harm your health. These supplements provide essential nutrients, boosting your energy levels and supporting metabolic health. Incorporating vegan weight loss supplements into your diet can help you achieve your weight loss goals naturally. There are various types of vegan weight loss supplements to suit different needs. Protein powders offer a concentrated source of plant-based protein for muscle repair and satiety. Fat burners enhance your body's ability to burn fat, boosting metabolism and energy levels. Appetite suppressants help control cravings and portion sizes, making dieting easier. Metabolism boosters increase energy expenditure, promoting fat burning and weight loss. These supplements work together to create a comprehensive approach to weight management. Vegan weight loss supplements provide essential nutrients that may be lacking in a vegan diet. They are often enriched with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants for overall health. These supplements can help prevent nutritional deficiencies while supporting weight loss. Boosting energy levels is another key benefit of vegan weight loss supplements. Natural ingredients like green tea extract and adaptogens enhance energy production. This increased energy helps you maintain an active lifestyle and achieve your weight loss goals. Vegan weight loss supplements also support overall health and wellness. They promote better metabolic health, reduce cravings, and increase feelings of fullness. Choosing the right vegan weight loss supplement is crucial for effective results. Check the ingredients, read reviews, and consider your personal needs and goals. Consult a healthcare professional to ensure the supplements are safe and effective for you. Start your journey towards natural weight loss with vegan supplements and embrace a healthier, more ethical lifestyle.